Technical Wizard here, and center stage today is this old iMac G3, back from when I used to collect Apple computers. This is a collectible item. This one here is in the sage color, and it's got a bit of a problem, as you may can tell. The hard drive's dead. It still has the original Maxter hard drive. It's a 20 gigabyte. And it doesn't work anymore apparently because I haven't kept this thing up in a while. So what we're going to be doing today is replacing it. I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. And we'll get started. Okay guys, so here we have the iMac turned over. This one is the sage color, as I may have said. Go ahead and start taking it apart. Replacing the hard drives in these are pretty simple for me, honestly. So I've been doing it for over 4 years now, almost 5. Since 2013 I've been working on these, so nothing new here. I just haven't done it for a while. This one's it's seen better days basically. Yeah. But overall it's in pretty good condition. So take this mesh plate off. Most of the screws on it are missing, but whatever. It's just because it doesn't need them. Alright. So, here we have everything. There's the Maxter hard drive, the RAM, that's 512 megabytes, I was wrong, and a DVD drive. So, put the camera back over here. Take this RAM out. Plug the hard drive. Okay. As for this hard drive, it makes the most hideous noises. It's a Maxter, so of course it does. Nope. Almost lost the screws. Alright, here is the hard drive. As you can see, it's the original Apple one. Yeah, I thought it was bad, so I wrote bad on it, but it wasn't bad back then, but it is now. Whatever. Anyways, let's go ahead and put our shiny new hard drive in there. Okay, here's our new hard drive that we're going to put in there. This is a Seagate U Series 5, not the same vendor, but same capacity. So, I don't have many hard drives with me right now, so I'm just going to put this one in there, because I think it actually works. It's been a while since I've been inside an iMac G3. Okay. This iMac has also been featured on my YouTube channel a long time ago. And in S2016, I think, but I'm not exactly sure. I remember doing a video on this iMac in 2014. Wait, yeah, 2014, of reviewing it. And that was filmed with a potato. It was filmed with an iPhone 5S. And I don't even know if I have that video anymore, but if I do, I may upload it one day, if y'all want to see it. But anyways, on to what we're doing now. The reason I'm doing S2017 Season 2 is because R-Dog doesn't want to do S2017 anymore, so I want to finish the series. So yeah, that's why there's a Season 2. So at the end of the year, there might be 44 episodes. I'm not exactly sure. But, yeah, there's gonna be not a lot of episodes, not as much as S2016, but there will be a fair amount. Alright, making sure this is on here good. Alright. But yeah, for most people, iMac G3s, working on them is not easy, but it's pretty easy for me, honestly. But whatever. Make sure this is all back together good. Alright. Alright, so we're all back together. Not sure what this hard drive has on it, but I'm about to check. So let's do that. Okay guys, here we are with the iMac all back together. Here's the old hard drive, Maxter. Yeah, I haven't really messed with this computer since last year, I believe. But anyways, let's go ahead and load up. Alright, hard drive sounds good. The speakers were removed, can't remember when, 2015 maybe, because they were rotting and didn't want to ruin the rest of the casing. So I took the speakers out and cleaned the speaker covers and left them in there. Alright, we got OS 9.1. I forgot what. Oh yeah, this was in the Flower Power a while back. Just now remembered. Well, we'll try and put the original OS 9.0 on here, because that's what came with it when it was new. But this computer's been well maintained over time. I've replaced a bunch of parts on it. Yeah. Like some of the casing, like this part right here, the clear part, which it wasn't good, so I put a new one on here and replaced and put the Sage Apple logo back in. As for the bezel, it was a whole lot worse when I got this unit, so I put a new one on here, and that's the only thing wrong with it. Just a little hole right there. Yeah, this computer is working now. So y'all have probably already heard the specs about it, so hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and like and comment of what you want me to film next. And I'll see y'all next weekend on S2017. 'Cause I've been around the world and back.